Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the control panel in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and let's just go jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just soft click on the Start button one time. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best match to go back to Registry Editor. You want to right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest that you create a backup, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. Just go ahead and left click on the File tab, select Export. For file name, I would suggest naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just put select file import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward. And once you've done that, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start by double clicking on the HK current user folder. So double click on that. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. Should be a Windows folder down here a little bit, so just go down, you see that, double click on it, and now it should be a current version folder, not too far down, double click on that as well. And finally there should be a policies folder, so just go ahead and left click on that. Now while you have selected the policies folder, you want to right click over it, select new, and then select key. You want to name this key Explorer, so EXPLORER. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now on the right side underneath this new folder we just created, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, then select the DWORD 32-bit value. You want to name this value no control panel, exactly as it appears on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard to save that. And now if you're looking to turn off the control panel, double click on it, set the value data to 1 as you see on my screen, and then select OK. Now if you ever want to re-enable the control panel, you can either set it to 0 or just delete this DWORD value altogether. So it just gives you guys some options there. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out. So once you're done with that, you're going to have to restart your computer. So let's go ahead and restart our device, because if you do not, the control panel still works. So let's go ahead and restart it just so I can show you guys that it works. Okay, so now that our computer has restarted, if we attempt to open up the control panel, you can see that this operation has been canceled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.